This is Lily. She's 9 years old and today is the very first day of her summer holidays. Lily and her best friend Omar are on a scavenger hunt, searching for shiny pebbles and colorful feathers. The sun feels hotter by the minute, Lily's tongue feels thick, and her water bottle is still full. She's forgotten to drink. Dry mouth, heavy eyelids, no energy. These are warning signs of dehydration. Grandma brings lemonade with a pinch of salt to replace lost fluids and electrolyte. They sip slowly, rest in the shade, and snack on juicy watermelon. After a little rest and rehydration, Lily feels almost back to her old self, ready for more summer fun. Remember, dehydration happens when you don't drink enough, play too long in the sun, or get too tired. Stay hydrated by carrying water, sipping often, resting in the shade, eating juicy fruits, and telling an adult if you feel dizzy. Just like Lily's plant needs water to grow, your body needs water to stay happy and healthy. Stay hydrated.